Hi, it's cooking time. Today we're going to make a tuna carbonara. These are the ingredients: rainbow cream, it's just a Nestle cream, and then tuna in can, and a mushroom in can, and an evaporated milk with the spaghetti noodles. Of course, don't forget the onion and the garlic. It should be crushed and cut it into small pieces. This how are we going to cook our noodles. Of course, there's a boiling water. Put the noodles, add some salt and some oil on it so that it won't stick together. So just little mix it so that it won't stick with each other. The oil prevents sticking with each other, so it's fine. And now here, we will just saute the garlic. Some are chopped fine, some are not, because we like something to bite on it. And then we will add our onion. Just give it a stir. Once it's almost cooked, and then we just have to put our minced tuna in can. This is in sunflower oil. You just have to saute it or fry it just to give it a little bit of smoking flavor. Just mix. Then now we will add our mushrooms. This is in mushrooms in can, so we'll just saute it, blend it together with all the spices with the tuna. We are making our sauce more tastier in this kind of style. Now we will add our spices, pepper, of course, and then some paprika. I like to mix some paprika to give a little bit of smoky flavor of paprika. And of course, a little bit of salt, not much, just a little bit of crazy. I'm a little bit of fool. And adding a little bit of magic syrup to give it a little bit of more boasting, tasty aroma. We will just try our mushrooms if it is already cooked properly. And now we will add our evaporated milk. Yum, 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 yum. Here, we're just scraping some cream from the lid of it. Oops. Now this is the cream. It's a full cream milk. Not milk, it's a cream. You know the Nestle cream in Philippines, it's the same like that. Here we are using the rainbow cream. We will just mix all together to thicken the sauce for our Tuna Carbonara sauce. So see, it looks like that. It tastes very yummy, yummy, yummy. Mix, 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 mix. And then we will try the sauce if the salt is perfect or does it need more salt or any spices needed more. You have to try it. And of course you need to add a little bit of salt. We need to taste the sauce. If it requires need more spices, then we can add it more while it's boiling. What are missing? I think some little bit of salt. Okay, a little bit of salt. That is not little bit, means it's not salty enough. A little bit of ground black pepper. More ground black pepper. Mahilig po ako sa paminta, kaya spices is life. Let's thicken a little bit. More mix. I think it need more things. since I don't have cheddar cheese grated. So I use the cheddar cheese burger slice style. Add more because I miss cheese. More cheese. And for the last time, let's try it. Good. And that's it for the sauce. And we will put now the sauce in our pasta. Tap the sauce. Just put the toppings. Thank you for watching. See you next time.